with the new message button, of course, to create new conversations with users. We're going to create like a little search where we can type like usernames and like send a message. But yeah, let's start by creating a new template. Let's close all of this. So we're going to create a simple template here in Direct, new file, and we're going to name it search user HTML. Save. Okay. So here, let's do the same thing. Let's copy all of this, paste it, and copy this. And block. And we're going to work here. So we need let's go to the index so we can copy this. So first we're going to have like a search input with a button, of course. We can just go to Boolman, let's see, form, general. Yeah, like something like this, right? Actually, let's just copy this one. Let's copy, here, paste it. Remember that we need to set the columns and stuff. So let's copy this one. Close and close. This one, step multi-line. Yeah, let's save. Let's see. Columns. Let's see. Kind of want it like in the middle. Yeah, it's like something like this. And columns, it's mobile. Let's delete this one. Copy. Okay, so there is the input. This is going to be yeah, here is the input. This is going to be a form. Let's just work with this one right away. Here, and let's put this one up. But yeah, it's going to be the search. we have the input here, and now we need to, let's go to our views. Let's go direct views, and here we're going to have the basically the new message thing. Okay, but first we're going to start by searching users, right? Login required, def user search request, variable query request get and then its name is on queue. Create the context, empty context, so it doesn't like crash. So if query, right, if we get a query, so users will be equal to user objects filter, and here we're going to, we need to import from Django.db.models import queue, the query utility. So like here we go query, right? We are searching first for username, right? Username underscore I contains. You can mix these ones with for example like first name and stuff, but here we're just going to use username, right? And so like here we're going to have the paginator. So let's import the paginator here from Django.core.paginator import paginator. Okay, let's put pagination here. Okay, paginator will be paginator, and like users, these users, right? And let's load like what, like 6 users per page, and page number request that get and then page, and users paginator will be paginator dot get the page number. Okay, so now we pass that to the context. Users paginator. Oops. Okay, now we need to load the template. Loader that get template, and let's put the path of the template, search user.html. Now we return this HTTP response template, oops, render, see, yeah, context request, save that. Now let's create a new URL for that. Let's go here, and then like here, path, I don't know, like we can new, I guess, yeah, new this is for the user search. So yes, we need to import user search. User search name. I don't know. User search. User search. Come here and then save. Okay, we have the view, we have the kind of the template in the URL. So what we need to do, we need to basically like send the user to this view. Yeah, this is pretty simple. We just need to go, let's go to direct and then like new message here in this button. So yeah, just put href and then URL and the name of the URL in this case is user search. Save that. Okay, let's go here, let's refresh, new message, and we need to let's fix that. Search user, find a repository, of course we're not. So place order, let's change that to search users. Okay, this is the input. We need to set a name will be, oops, remember Q, that's the name that we set in the view here. We are getting like this value, this one. Okay, so you have to match type text, place order, and then like here let's put value, request that get that Q. Okay, yeah, it should work. This button, let's change it to an actual button. Oops, search. This one button is success, to change the color, right? Type submit, so it works with the form, right? Yeah, save that. Let's see. But I think we could put that more in the center. Let me see. 87 is. Let me see. Let's go here. Let's put it full. Just see. Yeah, because let me see. Column. It's 12. see. Trying to fix this because I don't really like how it looks. It's kind of like, let me see. Or we can increase the size of the input, right? Let's see. It's large. Search user, la la la. Yep. General. Yeah, works great. Let's see. It would be great if we can put like that, like. Okay. Anyways, I just put it like that. Okay. So when we type the users, let's say whatever user we have, front signature, right? We want to search for that user. Let's go. So here, there's going to like load all. After this, we have to load the users, so we can I don't know. Let's create a div. Same thing, like column, la 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 la. I'm gonna try to copy this. Column is 1/4. I think that's how it is. Yes, it's 1/4. So here we want to have like the box thing. Yeah, like this. This is like a lot. Let's copy this one. Paste it here. We don't need anything. We don't need these ones. Goodbye. This will be the picture. Let's save. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, like that. We don't need caption. Why? Save. Refresh. Yeah, just like that. So will be the name, the user, and here in these like letters. Oops. So like here, we're going to actually have a button. Class button is info. Refresh. Oops. Send a message. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. Actually, let's. Oops. just like this. I think it will look better, I guess. Let's refresh that. Oops, no. No, bad idea. Okay, send a message. Picture, and yeah, that's it. We don't need anything else. So in the here, remember we have the paginator. Oops. For user, in users, okay, and here we're going to end the for. What is this doing there? And for. Save. Here will be user dot profile dot first name, if it has a first name, right? And we need to close. User dot profile dot last name. We need to fix that, I think, because it's kind of like annoying, like to see the just like none if you don't have a username. But yeah, user that username. Okay, we have that. Now let's go to the index so we can copy this picture thing. Okay. Let's paste it here. Okay, this is going to be user, right? Okay, let's refresh. Now let's type a user, let's say Frank search, and as you can see, it's loading. Good. Glad it's round. I think that's how it is. Oh no, it's rounded, I think. Yes. Ooh, ugly. Whatever. Let's keep it like that. But yeah, send a message. Okay. Let's put okay, send a message. Beautiful. We have so now we have to like make this same message to work, put this message to work. So let's go to direct reviews. So I hate having all of this open. I don't know why. So in the views, let's create a new view, of course. This view, let's name it, of course, required def new conversation request. Okay. From user going to be the user. Oh, we need to pass a username here so we can like get the, yeah, from user. That's the person sending the thing. To, I mean, like just create a template for the body. Say hello. Okay, so let's try to user. First, we need to get the user, right? User.objects.get, and now we're going to search the user with the username that we have here. Username will be username. Pretty straightforward. Except exception as E. We're going to return if to search to the user search, right? Because we cannot find them. User search. This is the URL basically. Yeah. So we don't want people to send like message to themselves, so we have to make like a little conditional here. If from user it's different to user, then we can send a message. So send message, remember the method that we created, from user to user, and then the body. Okay, after we send that, we redirect the user to the inbox. Okay, let's save that, and now let's create a new URL for that. We need to import a new view, new conversation, and then path new, and here username, because remember we're passing the username, new conversation, name, I don't know, new conversation. You can put like a hyphen or underscore. Okay, looks great. Come here. Now let's go to the template here, because when we click on this send message, we want to call the URL, this URL. Okay, so URL, and then what's the name? New conversation. Okay, so now here, so in here we need to just pass the username. Yep. Save, and then oh, we have to fix that. I guess we have to type it here. So now let's create a new conversation. Frank, or like FR, as you can see, it works pretty nice. Okay, send a message. Boom, says hello. Okay, let's go to that guy and see. And we go to the direct. Our code says hello. What up? Send. Oops. Yeah, it's working perfectly. So we have our new message working and stuff. We need to like work with the Payoneer to like load more messages and stuff here. But yeah, let's just leave it here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.